Abage na bange to bwate moroche na ende pora. Amayanda manene. Oh no, Moaka Mbiyala, I know is good. Moaka can talk, I know. Moaka Osiemo'S royo. No mongina buelicha. Na bana ba mwabo. Tu abanga baba mo ba manya iga to kore and by karansa then we move to another level. I Moaka no mo kongwa to kuana. Moaka ni mic yata gete. My mic. Thank you, Karibu. Mon your son. Take this.
Ntage tokote baiga. Bari mota manyetin chengorku Thomas Osiemo'S. No mwana ne he adopted ya Marieta Thomas Osiemo'S akamente riche bueka. Even in the midst of sorrow, I'm the proud person. I'm the proud person, proud parent. Ekiagero mano yona has obviously elevated my social status. Igomoni wede. Social status yani akoreki. Na ende wakorokege songo even anochaya. Otorete ira maskani yogo kumia. My son Elijah is a crowd puller. Even in death, is still a crowd puller. He has obviously cultivated a national image for himself. Yani naende endonde deko batebia. Nyonyene chikura nyorete. Across the political divide. Nyamayebu ate clan abantu bare babu atu nyumba. Nyamayebu ate clan Bumabachonero, bumanyanyanero, bunyaigubanero. Lakini interestingly, omwano yakanyora chikura and even beat his rivals at their own backyard. So, okowini keroke kiae. It is a wake-up call for those who live in a clan cocoon. Abantumbara ba korona sobo bara bange nyota isaini no rera mintongo itutore tigato nyore chikure to ebombamo. Elijah could still beat you at your own background even if you had the numerical strength. Omwano is my source of inspiration. Is my source of inspiration. Nimo manyete. And all this accolades muamuaire. Absolutely more sincere. Eke agaro mwano yo nche nyumba na arego jina mwanyerera. Someone has confirmed the same. He could as well have been the president of the Republic of Kenya. Abantu bano maite bago kumine nekyo is a pipe dream. It's not a pipe dream. Because personally I told him, you can be anything you want in this country. And he was absolutely edited there. And nothing could have distracted him from achieving what he wanted. A man of peace. He embraced peace and he lived on it and walked the talk. And walked the talk. A gentleman of politics. A gentleman of politics. People tend to think about politics. Politics very rough. A gentleman of politics, and he obviously succeeded. I don't know as much as Singokora. I don't know whether I will spoil the taste of this ceremony, but as a father, Omwano Okonyoro indicated that his life is being threatened. It was in public domain. He went even to the CID and made a report to that effect. I'm now talking as a father. I'm now talking of as a father. And then I better trade unions. A fearless trade unions who don't fear nothing. And then I am not even sure whether the security agents worked on that report or slept on the same. But as we live here, their findings report it was even omonto kwanira omonto mukura murangirinde mukura mugiriri nyonyombo saigorende ninche manye gosonde na bete grill ekiara mwana oritare ngo kora report bosaigo aina mabenko boria. The security agents were rise up to the occasion and give me the findings. Berna ngina rian kora yanera koleki igo asogo ko